Greetings, it is I, 8 Thoughts, the anus of awesomeness, the man with the cock of gold, and this is the Houston Texans taking on the Pittsburgh Steelers.
What's up, guys? This is the Big Puma, aka
Be ready.
and I hope you enjoyed my little 8 Thoughts impression there. He's one of my favorite commentators here on YouTube. Anyways, let's get on with it. First things first, before we start the game, the Texans did some cleaning house. They released Trendon Holiday, who they actually in real life just re-signed to a new contract. And who do they go to the waiver wire to pick up, the free agency list? They go in and they pick up TJ Houshmandzadeh. They need another receiver on the outside there just in case something happens. Kevin Walter, Jacoby Jones, not really getting it done. Here's the injury report for the Houston Texans. Eric Winston, broken collarbone, still has 2 weeks. And we all know Casey Studdard here is a complete Achilles tear. He's out. Let's take a look at the Steelers. Lamar Woodley, that's good for us. Left outside linebacker, broken ribs, 2 weeks out. And we take a look down there. James Ferrier out 6 weeks, dislocated hip. James Harrison out 9 weeks with a broken wrist. All their linebackers are hurt. This should be a great game, easy running game for the Houston Texans. Here comes Matt Schaub. Texans won the toss, and we elected to receive first. 374 yards, 3 touchdowns, and an interception so far this year. Not a lot of passing yards, but this is why. Arian Foster running up the gut, out to the left side, but can't get away from the Tasmanian Devil, Troy Polamalu. He's pleased with his work there. 1st and 10, Matt Schaub looking for a receiver, and Smith comes in and gets a huge sack. And Schaub just couldn't get rid of that ball. Here's the Texans offense. Andre Johnson there on the left side. Kevin Walter on the right. Arian Foster there in the middle. Now, TJ Houshmandzadeh is going to be in behind Kevin Walter. He's our number 3. I would rather have him instead of Jacoby Jones as we watch Smith get his 2nd sack of the game, which happens to be in the first quarter. Now, Lamar Woodley, James Harrison, we know are hurt. Troy Polamalu is not. We ended up having to punt the ball off. Here's Ben Roethlisberger, 550 yards and 5 touchdowns. That's great through 4 games in the season. 1st and 10 on their 28. Roethlisberger hands it off to Mendenhall, who shakes 1, shakes 2, and then gets hit by Brian Cushing there. We take a look at the Steelers' offense. Mike Wallace on the left, Hines Ward on the right. Hines Ward's like 110 years old. Rashard Mendenhall as the running back. Here we look here, Mario Williams, who just got hurt with a pectoral muscle in real life. He's out for the season. That is not good for the Texans. But D'Amico Ryans comes up and helps Mario Williams on that drive, and they have to punt. Matt Schaub, 1st and 10 with a little play action, gets it out there to Andre Johnson for a big 1st down. 1st and 10 again on the 44, looking for a receiver. Schaub runs, jukes number 90 there, and gets over the 1st down. 13-yard rush. He is pumped up. Matt Schaub does not do that. 2nd and 5 on the 38. Fakes off to Arian Foster looking for a receiver. Gets Houshmandzadeh involved in the passing game. And that's going to be it for the first quarter. It ends 0-0. Now, hopefully, Houshmandzadeh can help out the team there as we look at that huge tackle by Polamalu. I mean, he just got speared like Goldberg style. I mean, that was ridiculous. Just straight up beasting. Oh, man. So, the very next play, he gets in there, and Arian Foster scores a touchdown. 6 carries, 36 yards, and a touchdown. Not great stats, but it's all about that big number 7 on the scoreboard. Here, Cotchery looking to do something big, but gets stopped by Brian Cushing, which is also a flag on the play, holding on the receiving team, and we're going to push him back all the way out to the 7. Back to the 7, I should say, instead of their 15. Ben Roethlisberger, 2nd and 9 on their 8. Backs up, looking for a receiver. Throws it over to Hines Ward. He says, "Get off me, son." Manning can't make the tackle, but big, giant J.J. Watt somehow runs down Hines Ward and gets the tackle. 1st and 10 in the 2nd quarter in the Texans 18. Big sack by Connor Barwin. You can't handle Connor Barwin. Boom. He is excited. We take a look at the replay here. Just the mechanics, and you see Connor Barwin coming off the left side there, and nobody can stop him. J.J. Watt tries to get in there at the end. But look at this. It's just crisp and clean. Grab those legs and get on the ground, son. 3rd and 5 in the Texans 13. 2 minutes to go in the 2nd quarter. Ben Roethlisberger in the shotgun looking for a receiver. Gives it to Mendenhall. Big Antonio Smith says, "No, sir. You're not getting that. 4th and 11. They end up kicking a field goal. Schaub looking for a receiver. Gives it off to Arian Foster. Runs it straight up the middle with that nice halfback draw. He gets up. And that's a big first down. Schaub in the shotgun. 15 seconds left in the second quarter. Gets sacked. And that's going to be the end of the first half. Steelers down 3-7. Now here we go. Ben Roethlisberger. The Steelers get the ball in the half. Give it to Rashard Mendenhall. Big first down. Rushes it up to the 33-yard line. Big Ben in the shotgun. Hands it off to Rashard Mendenhall, who gets stuffed on 3rd down. And they're going to have to punt off to the Texans. Matt Schaub doing some rearranging on the line. 50-yard line. 1st and 10. 3rd quarter. Hands it off to Foster, who runs around the outside. Gets kind of tangled up in his defender, but still manages to get close to the first down. 1st and 10 on the 35. Let's get Hush in. Whoop! Let's get around that guy. Get another first down. 2 receptions, 37 yards. Only 73 yards for Matt Schaub. That's it for the 3rd quarter. The Texans are still up 7-3. We take a look at Reliance Stadium there. 2nd and 10 on the 12. Hands it off to Arian Foster. Fake in. Let's get it out there to Andre Johnson, who makes a big one-handed catch. And then Arian Foster runs it in for the touchdown, making the score. And Troy Polamalu can't believe he let him in. So that makes the Texans score 14, the Steelers 3. Arian Foster, 102 yards, 15 carries, and 2 touchdowns. The whole season rides on Arian Foster's shoulders here. 1st and 10, Mario Williams tackles Rashard Mendenhall in the backfield. But they go into a hurry-up offense here and try to catch the Texans off guard. But Mario Williams says, nope, nope. Boom. Hits him before he can get it off. And that brings up 3rd and 13. Matt Schaub, 2nd and 8 on the 41. Looking for a receiver. Throws it out to the left. And he gets intercepted by Clark, who finally gets taken down by Owen Daniels at the 43. Texans making bad decisions here, throwing it in the 4th quarter. Big Ben tries to run it, fumbles the football, but luckily it's recovered by a Steeler, and they continue on. 3rd and 13 on the 45. Roethlisberger looking for a receiver. Throws it down to the right side. Mike Wallace, in the face of 2 defenders, catches the football and scores a touchdown, bringing up 14-9. They go for the 2-point conversion, but right there, Brian Cushing blocks it and says, no, sir. 3rd down conversions for the Texans, 3 out of 5, not bad. Foster says, let's make that 4 out of 6. Shakes off a defender, manages to get the first down, 116 yards. Matt Schaub fakes it to Arian Foster, dumps it out to Owen Daniels, who can't get past Troy Polamalu with that big spear. Another play action to Arian Foster, tries to get it out there to number 88, but it's intercepted by Troy Polamalu with 1:40 seconds left in the 4th quarter. This is not looking well for the Texans. Big Ben in the shotgun looking for a receiver. Can't find one. Manages to run, slides down at the 30-yard line and gets the first down. 1st and 10. He throws it out to Mike Wallace. Catches it. They're in hurry-up offense once again. Here's the QB comparison. Not great for Matt Schaub. 3rd and 2. Looking for a receiver. Throws it out to the end zone. Intercepted by Daniel Manning. And that's going to be the end of the game. We'll run a few more plays here. How about a QB kneel so you don't do anything stupid? Matt Schaub, after throwing 2 picks in the 4th quarter. We see Gary Kubiak, Mike Tomlin, they're shaking hands. And we check out the player of the game, which is, of course, Arian Foster again, 136 yards, 2 touchdowns. Appreciate you guys for watching. As always, come on back. Next week, we are playing the Oakland Raiders, my boy Lord Displays team. His link will be down in the description. AMF.